Hey guys, I guess this is where we left off. That's what I'm guessing. We made the bullets, we made it spin. It's kind of done. But for now, what we're gonna do is actually we're gonna get out of the camera. And so let's hide the camera and everything. I did some stuff after we were gone. I rendered out render basically, and let's finish this sucker. So we're gonna go into I'm gonna select this, and we're gonna go into our polygon mode. Right click, close polygon hole. Oh, we gotta optimize it first, sorry. So go to function and click optimize. I have it right here. Now close polygon. There we go. In this case, what I want to do is make a pistol grip kind of thing, and that will hold it in place. Not sure if that will make sense, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Or what we could do is, now we're gonna go with the pistol grip idea. One hand in the pistol grip and one hand right here. We're gonna add like a thing right there. But let's make the pistol grip. So we're gonna pull it back a little more. And we're gonna put the grip up, so they're gonna like hold one hand on top and one hand to the side. Makes more sense ergonomically. So to make the grip, get a cube and position it correctly. Okay, so there we go. There we go. And make it editable. Go into poly selection mode, function optimize. Now we start the modeling process. So this is going to be a little bit complicated, but don't get scared. Press K and make sure it's selected on loop. And make a cut here, and then press UL. Select this. Pull it back. Again K, then UL, then K, UL, K. And now we're going to select the top by using that. Now what we want to do is make the bottom a little bit thinner. So just going to scale down a little bit. Get a hyperner, put the cube inside, and something happens. So this will be kind of look like our grip, but not completely, don't worry. Press UL, select that side, right click extrude inner. Oops. Let's turn the degree up and see what happens right there. Now let's try it. Okay, looking much better. We want a flat bottom, so we got cut in the bottom. And select the side. Actually, this, and this. This, and this. Extrude inner. And we'll bring it right about there. One more. Press UL. Select this side. Hold down Shift and select this side. Right click, extrude. And extrude once. Just a little bit. About that much, and then extrude one more, about that much, and then one more time, a little bit more. So that's our cartoony ass grip. Okay. I'm gonna pull it down a bit. And we're gonna put like a trigger button right there. But before we do that, we're gonna go in here. See this cube? We're gonna duplicate it. One more. Right there. Right there. Right there. And we're gonna put some more wires. So now get a cylinder. Radius. Right. Gaps. And then duplicate this thing, change it to X, actually Z. One more time, and smaller. Busier. Select that, and we're going to connect the wires. 2, 3, and then pull it back a little. Oops. There we go. And we want to select this one, right click, and you want to round it out. And it's not rounding. Okay, try chamfer. Boom. And that will be our another wire. Let's select this and get the same circle because you want to get the same wire length. So get another sweep NURBS, put the circle in, put the thing in. It doesn't look as good as the other one, but there is a problem going on right there. What the hell happened? No, not global illumination. Okay, let's try. Something is wrong right there. Although it's cool. Those two. Right now you're just trying to fix your problems. For some weird reason I'm having a problem with this wire, but don't worry, it'll be fixed. Go on your side view and center this. we'll fix that. That's all we need really. These two will just stay back. But since we are having a problem, if you don't have it, just leave it. But I do have it, so it's a problem for me. What we are going to do to solve this problem is take the sweeteners, make it editable. I'm going to edit poly. That's a really weird looking problem. Delete that part. And after deleting, everything looks fine. Now let's make a handle, because his left hand would be on the trigger and his right hand would be holding a handle right there. So let's make that. Basically just want to get rectangles spline and then just move it around. When crabs flying over my head, I'm a really bad singer. La 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 la. Okay, gonna get another circle. The circle of life. Get another sweeteners. Put the circle in, put the spline in, put the circle over the spline, and now reduce the radius of the circle. That looks like a reasonable size for a handlebar to be. And we're not done yet. We gotta like add two oh crap. Thankfully it's still there. Okay, we're gonna add more cylinders. And you're gonna add some caps. And duplicate that and put it in the bottom as well. Lobotomy. Select them both and then go to your go to your top view, I guess, in this case, and line them up. And there you go, that's your minigun finished. I wanna materialize this thing, but before we do that, I'm gonna put all of this inside. Group them up and put them inside the main body. Let's make our ammo that would go in right there. Now to make the ammo, we're gonna make the ammo later on. Oh my god, oh my god. Like, this is annoying. As you can see, I did not bang on the floor. I'm not banging on the floor, but my neighbor banged on the floor for no reason. She's a bit psychotic, and I'm not just saying that. We had the management speak to her. They told us she's mentally ill, so we don't bother her. We let her bang as much shit as she wants. But yeah. So this will be like our shell thing, you know, the thing the bullets are inside, not the magazine. I know this gun doesn't have them. Like, this is attached, like inside this tube would be the bullets which would go in. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. How many more times? See, you want to make it look like it goes in, so. That looks like it will go in. We're gonna add some caps to it. I'm adding caps to, fillet. Oh, I've been telling caps. I meant fillet. Sorry, people. I'm gonna Polygon selection mode. Make it editable first. Optimize. And press K. Make sure it's on loop. Make 2 loop cuts. UL. Right click, extrude. That's definitely not it. We're gonna probably turn the maximum angle up, and then it works. And hopefully that will look good in render after we materialize it, but there'll be belt of these things. And there's one more thing I have found out since my last render that I made, that it does not only shoot out it also shoots out like part of the this thing, which just looks like a ring basically. And we're gonna make it like really small. and also put it inside the emitter. Instead of 15, let's turn up to like 20. Turn this speed to 10. And let's see what it looks like. Okay, definitely the rings are not that size. Now it looks more like it. Oh, they need a dynamic stat, sorry. That looks pretty good, but emitter, maybe this speed is just like higher. We get certain problems, but let's turn back down to 15. Turn the variation up. Okay, we're done with that part. Now let's make our this basically. To do this, I have to hold down. This is gonna be a hard one. Let's try this. It's a bit busier. Oh crap! It's on the other side now. Let's just try our best, and we're just gonna make a spline. I smell something. Something smells funny. Dizzy. And did it work? Did it work? Yeah, it did. Okay, perfect. Well, not really, but what we want to do is just make it. It's already a wow. I'm sorry. Where are you? This. Hold on Alt on that and make a cube. And scale it down until it's itty bitty. you want to do currently. Oh my god. Alright. Go into this. And pull it down. Pull it down. Pull it down. Okay. Go to your hair tags and I think we're gonna click constraint. No? Crap. Set. Whoa, meter turn off. Okay, that's not it. I think it's hair tags, hair glider, hair material, hair spline dynamics. I think it's spline dynamics. Yep, it's spline dynamics. Turn on rigid. You're gonna go to tags, constraint tag. Where's the constraint tag? It's gotta be a constraint. I forgot where it is. Okay, we're gonna go window, layout, command manager, constraint. No, constraint. Okay, never mind. It's not in here. This gotta be in somewhere. Come on, come on. Hair tags. Constraint. This is not how it happens. Definitely not. No. I know there's a constraint tag somewhere. Properties, forces, dash, advanced. Constraint tag, constraint tag, constraint tag. We're just looking for constraint tag. I will pause this for a second and okay people, I figured it out. Yeah, I was right the first time, but it didn't work for some reason. So after you have this, make sure you have it make sure you select all the points in your spline, right click and subdivide, and make sure you have enough points, and then select the top point, the closest to your cube thing. Make sure it's very close to your cube, and you want to select that, and then you want to select you want to right click hair tags, constraint, and select this cube, hair tags, constraint, blah blah blah. Select this cube and click set, and that will fix your problem hopefully. And go to hair tags, and now forces cache, blah blah blah, tag rigid. Uncheck that and see what happens. Rigid. Now if you go to MoGraph cloner and select your cube, that's the magazine, not oops, scale it up. I accidentally scaled it down, and so probably did you, unless you're like super smart. and put the cube in the cloner and change it mode to object, and put this line in there, transform and change the rotation to 90 if yours was to, and change distribution to even, not count, and turn the count up. And boom. There's definitely certain problems with this. Go to your cloner. God dang it. Okay, transform and turn the, and you just want to position it correctly. That's correct. Get this cube and add a collider tag to it, basically the same tag as your main body, and let's animate this thing hitting this, and let's see what happens. That's really weird. Okay, that's weird. That's crazy, actually. Why does it do that? That's okay. We have discovered a problem. Something just happened. Trying to figure out what the hell it is. Oh god. Tag constraint. Uncheck rigid and save. Oh, it's just spinning really fast. Jeez, I never thought of that problem. Okay, we're gonna have to think of a different way to attach them. How many of them are there anyway? Let's see, cloner, there are 27. That's gotta be crazy. I have no idea what to do. Our constraint idea failed. We can use connectors, but that will take forever, but it seems like right now that's the only way. So what we're going to do is use connectors. Delete our spline idea and change it to linear. Change it to just linear. Transform. Put it up there. I'll do 20. That's how I'll do that. That's as much as patience as I'll have connecting them all manually. Okay, yeah. Oh, random. Add a dynamic tag to all of them. MoGraph, it's actually simulation dynamics connector. Put it inside the cube cloner and then make it editable. Boom. And select the top one, which is the last one in here. Change the dynamics of this to off. Now, all you gotta do is select the connector of this one and connect it to this one. Oops, oops, oops. Before you make it editable, before you make the clone editable, take the connector, change object A to boom, itself. Make sure you have your reset PSR. I don't know why it went there, but whatever. Make the connect cloner editable. And we have connector. This one is connected to this one. That's cool. Okay. This connector needs to be connected to this cube. So basically select the connector, click that cube, select the connector, click that cube, select the connector, cube, connector, this gets confusing, connector, cube, and basically go on until you have reached all 20. So I'm gonna pause this. Okay, when you come to the last connector, it needs to be connected to the cube that we made that was on the inside. And there's a problem somewhere. Oh, this connector is connected to the cube, not connector. And you will see all these problems a lot. So select this one, and this connector is connected to cube 11. That's correct. So I did maybe this one. cube 11 connectors to the cube 12. That's correct. Cube 12 connector. That is also correct. Object A is Q10, and that again, there's another problem. This will happen a lot, like I said. Connector used to be the cube. Much better. Although it's time consuming, it's worth it. Let's name it belt, and let's pull it up a bit. Oh yeah, sure, this is the perfect time to hop. And there we go, there's our cool, and let's see if the dynamics work correctly. So you're gonna give this tag another collider tag, animate it, did it just go through? Oh no, thank God. Now let's try. Perfect. Now, to make it a little bit more realistic, we're going to select the belt, and we're going to select the top cube, in which in this case is actually the bottom cube. And whenever the gun fires, the belt's not still, it's shaking. So we're going to right click on it, set on 4D tags, vibrate, enable position, 0 on this, but on Y we're going to turn it to 1, and let's see what happens. Let's turn the frequency up a bit, like 5. That is nearly loud enough. Make it 2 inches and more like 8. Add maybe 2 on this side too. Shaking, but 3 right there. That looks good. I just wanted to test it out, but obviously we're going to delete it because it's not going to shake unless the gun shakes. So this belt will be attached to this cube. Belt, this will call it belt assembly, and we're going to put it inside the main body. And it's really cool. And turn the emitter on. And we are done with our gun. And maybe I'll decide to materialize this, maybe not, but we're done for this tutorial. And thank you guys for watching. This is HD Video Tuts. Hope you liked it. If you did, please do subscribe. I need your subscriptions. Yeah, not a lot of revenue from the ads, and last two tutorials I was not even allowed to put ads because of that picture. That's why I took out the picture in this one, so I would be allowed to put the ads. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Please do subscribe. I mean, this is a 52-minute video, almost an hour long. I think I'm allowed to put an ad in this one. Please do subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching. This is HD Video Tuts signing out. I love you. Peace out.